Alright, this is my new Samsung Chromebook, as you can probably read off this package. Let's see what it has inside. Got a seal here. It says, "Do not accept" if seal is broken. Alright. Alright, let's see what we get with this thing. We get a quick start guide. This is a Chromebook 3. Get a charger, that's useful, and the Chromebook. Let's see. Wow, look at that. Chrome. It looks like it opens this way. Just like the TV, it has that plastic all around the screen. Wow, it is pretty. Nice. Let's turn it on. Let's see what happens. Okay. Maybe I need to read the quick start guide. Is there like a battery or something? You gotta, I don't know. I'll try holding it for longer. Well, I'm gonna try to figure this out, but yeah, not much really comes in the package. Kind of just a laptop and or Chromebook, I'm sorry, and a charger. But seems like this quick start guide that I normally don't read is gonna come in pretty useful. Getting started. Power button. There's no like pull tab to start or anything. Charging. Fully charge the battery before using the computer for the first time. Okay, so maybe I should do that. Alright, well, that's it. Samsung Chromebook 3.